This creamy chicken and shrimp pasta is so good. You will want to make it tonight. It requires just few ingredients and you're good to go. Please continue watching and make sure you watch till the end. Now let me show you how. Here is some chicken thigh fillets. I'll go ahead and wash and cut up into bite sizes, just like so. You can choose to cut before washing. Now let's go ahead and pat it dry using our kitchen towel. Now once done, season the chicken with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder. You can use the ginger garlic paste if that's what you have. Next is a teaspoon of paprika powder, your seasoning, drizzle a little amount of your olive oil and give it a nice mix using your spatula or your hand. I will advise you prep all your ingredients, like get them ready before start cooking. Now that the chicken is properly coated, we're going to set it aside and allow it to marinate for some minutes, okay? You can do an hour or more. Here we have some shrimps. I'll go ahead and season with a little amount of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder and paprika powder as well. Now give it a quick mix. Please, you're free to use any protein of your choice, okay? And you can as well skip it if you do not want to use protein at all. Alright guys, let's proceed. It is time to parboil our pasta. Okay, so in a pot, I will go in with some water. Cover it up and bring to a boil. Now that the water is boiling or hot enough, I'll go in with reasonable amount of salt. Yes, you want the pasta to come out a bit tasty, okay? Now go in with the pasta. You can use any pasta type, any one you choose or prefer. This is 1 kg. I'm going to use half of it. The remaining one, I put it inside my freezer, okay? Now, cover it up and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Do not overcook it, okay? Just somewhere in the middle. A bit hard, not too soft. Now, checking back after a few minutes. The pasta is ready. Go ahead and drain it, cover it up and set aside. Moving on, guys. It is time to fry our protein. Please continue watching. So in a pan, go in with some butter. If you don't have butter, make do of your olive oil, okay? Now add the shrimps and cook for about 1 minute on each side until you turn pink and tender. Now, if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of us, okay? Thank you. Now the shrimp is ready. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan or pot, go in with the marinated chicken. Cook until golden and fully cooked, okay? Please remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upload. Thank you. Now for the chicken to cook or fry evenly, let's go ahead and flip the other side. Now that the chicken is properly cooked and looking all golden, I'll go ahead and take it off the oil and set aside as well. Look at that. It is looking beautiful and juicy. Now let's proceed to the main cooking. In that same pan, same oil, go in with more butter, okay? Once melted, go in with your diced onions. I use both red and the white onions. You can use any one you choose, okay? If you're using ginger garlic paste, this is the time to add it. Afterwards, give it a stir and fry until fragrant or for a minute. And because I'll be using veggies for this recipe, I'll go ahead and introduce my chopped tomatoes. Now, after frying for a few minutes, I'll go ahead and introduce the rest of the veggies. In here, I have some chopped carrots, bell peppers, the red and the green, and some broccoli. Now, season with some salt, your ginger garlic powder, and seasoning. Afterwards, stir and fry for extra 1 minute. And if you prefer plain creamy pasta, feel free to skip the veggie part, okay? But I would advise you use it because it takes this meal to the next level. Also, it's a great way to incorporate veggies into your meal. So, when making yours, will you be skipping or not? Let me know in the comments. This is after 1 minute of frying. I'll go ahead and pour in heavy cream now. I'm using 3 cups of heavy cream. Add freshly grated Parmesan cheese if you want, but I won't be using it. Now let's go ahead and stir until the sauce becomes smooth, rich, and creamy. Now bring it to a gentle simmer before introducing the pasta. But because I want my pasta to soak into the cream, I will introduce it immediately. And if you have watched up until this point, you've done well. It means you're enjoying this video. You may consider liking it, sharing for others to learn, and of course subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Take your time to stir. Toss everything together so that the pasta is fully coated in that creamy sauce. Oh my, look at that. I'm sure someone is salivating already, but we are not done yet, so continue watching. At this point, our creamy pasta is almost ready. I'll go ahead and introduce some cayenne pepper just to give it some heat, okay? You can substitute it for black pepper. Now, here comes the shrimps and the chicken. Pour that in and nicely stir until everything is well combined. Let me use this medium to appreciate all my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back again. Thank you for all you do. Your massive love and support, I really appreciate. Please keep it up, okay? Oh my, it is screaming rich and creamy. You need to give this recipe a go. Now, we're going to cover it up again and allow to simmer for just 1 minute, okay? Now, let's lastly finish it off with some parsley, okay? I'm using dry one, you can use fresh one. Sprinkle extra Parmesan cheese if you're using, okay? Now, stir, 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 and just like that, you've got a restaurant quality creamy chicken and shrimp pasta ready to serve. Quick one, guys, if you want to get the best creamy pasta ever. Make sure to use heavy cream for extra richness, okay? And don't forget to garnish it up with parsley or Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious creamy chicken shrimp pasta is ready. Give it a go and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Now we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you for joining me in creating this amazing recipe. Now here is the best part. It is dish up time. So guys, let's dish it together. This is looking good. Delicious, guys. Someone is going to make this recipe, I know. Just follow the steps and you're good to having it right on your dining table. All set, guys. Look at this sumptuous goodness. Now it is testing time. Let's test it together, guys. Grab your fork. Let's go. Delicious. You don't know how creamy this is. Try it out and thank me later. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me once again. And if you found it interesting, go ahead and like, share, and leave a valuable feedback. Don't forget to subscribe as well. See you in my next one. Happy cooking. Bye.